Mini short steps. We're about to finish, guys. You probably saw us in the 11 in the number, the hashtag sign a few minutes ago earlier. Okay, so these are comments. These little things are comments, and these do not affect your code at all. It's like if you were writing code and then you went back months or years ago, and you're like, how was I trying to code here? I don't understand. Then you would back when you first coded that part, you would write a comment with this little hashtag, a comment, and say, oh, I was trying to make the Mario game, or I was trying to make a to-do list app or something like that. And you will remember, oh yeah, that's what I was trying to do with my code. So you can remember. It doesn't affect your code at all. You can write that all over the place if you feel like it. The second example will return false since the comments comes after the code that we will execute. Write a comment in there. It can be anything you like. Okay, so see, you can write hashtag blah blah blah, hashtag blah blah, hashtag cool kid, hashtag, okay, I have to put a hashtag like this video. Now, and I click run, that should work, right? It works, but nothing comes to the editor because it's just notes. Like, watch this. I can put Warmax out. It's my online name. See, it puts Warmax out because I told it to put Warmax out, but it doesn't put any of these comments because they're just comments on your code, they don't come on the console. Okay, that's good. Let's move on to the next step. You can add a comment that snaps multiple lines by starting each line with a. It's easier if you want to begin and same thing, but it's just you put begin and end to make like a thick comment. You're gonna write like a whole bunch of paragraphs to your future self. Don't put any space between begin and end. Okay, so don't put any spaces between begin, the word begin, or end. You see this right here? No spaces between the equal sign and the word begin or end. You can do this with math, the same math, but in this case Ruby will get confused. Okay, so just do it like that. Okay, you're gonna create a comment as begins and uses the end. The second way of writing comments. So you put begin. Okay, so begin, and then I'm pretty sure you have to go down to the middle line. Yeah, you can write on the same line that you wrote begin. Okay, so you put good vibes, cool things, and let's end it equal and end. Now I'm gonna do like last time, and I'm gonna write I'm gonna put out a string. Puts. Would it work? No, because it's in between the lines, so it won't work. Well, I'm gonna do it like I did last time. I'm using put I'm gonna put out a string. This is a string, and good vibes again. And this is gonna print out. But this won't, because again it's a comment. Okay, next step. There are many different kinds of variables you'll encounter as you progress through this course, but right now we're just concerned with regular old local variables. By convention, these variables should start with a lowercase letter. The word should be separated by underscore like counter, and Ruby won't stop you from starting your local variables with any other symbol. But by convention, this means different things, so it's best to avoid confusion by doing now what Ruby community does. Okay, so they call it snake case, and when you're doing a local variable, you want to use snake case. You always start with a lowercase at the beginning, and you always have an underscore on between whichever words you have. It could be masterful method in this case, or yeah. Never use this, because while you can still do it, it means something else. Create a name in the editor and set it equal to your name. Create a variable name in the editor and set it equal. Create a variable name in the editor and set it equal to your name as a string between quotes like this. Your name can be capitalized, but put name should be all lowercase. I can put name. Oh, well, name equals Mordecai. Yeah, okay, that was easy. Now, if I puts name, with a print, yeah, it will print Mordecai. Awesome. Okay, we're reviewing a little bit. Create a variable called my name. Okay, my underscore name, and set it equal to your name as a string. Create a second variable called my age and set it equal to your age as a number. Don't use any quotes around the number, okay? Equals. I'm just gonna keep using Mordecai, and my underscore age equal to 15. Okay, we did it. We finished the Codecademy first, the introduction to Ruby section. Now there's these things, but there are also reviews, so I'm gonna let you guys do those by yourself. It will be really easy, don't worry about it. You can do this by yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.